20 common English sentences at a bank. 1. I'd like to open a bank account. When you're opening a new account. 2. I want to deposit some money. Means you want to put money into your account. 3. I'd like to withdraw some cash. When taking money out of your account. 4. Can I get my account balance, please? To check how much money you have. 5. I'd like to transfer money to another account. For sending money to someone else. 6. Can you activate my ATM card? When you've just received a new card. 7. My card isn't working, could you please check? Polite way to report a card issue. 8. I've lost my debit card, please block it. For urgent cases. 9. Can I get a printed statement of my account? When you need a record of your transactions. 10. Is there any service charge for this? To ask about fees politely. 11. I'd like to update my account information. When you change your address, phone number, or ID. 12. Can I change some currency here? For exchanging dollars, pounds, or euros. 13. I need to close my bank account. When you no longer want to keep the account. 14. Could you please help me fill out this form? When you don't understand the form completely. 15. What documents do I need to open an account? To ask about ID, photos, or proof of address. 16. Is online banking available for this account? To ask about using the account through mobile or web. 17. I didn't receive the OTP code, can you resend it? When verifying your account or transaction. 18. I want to apply for a loan, what's the process? For education, home, or personal loans. 19. How long will it take to clear this check? When depositing a check into your account. 20. Can I speak to the branch manager, please? Polite way to request a meeting with higher staff. Bonus tips. Always use please and could you for polite and professional communication at the bank. Subscribe for more real-life English sentences you can use every day.